Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do Balisong loop tutorial for beginner, and here's the move. And here's the slow-mo. Alright, to begin the trick, you're going to start with the safe handle. Do whip rollover. Turn your balisong like this. And then do vertical thumb rollover. That's going to give you the bite handle. And then prepare to put your index finger here on the bite handle. And then do vertical index rollover. Again, that's going to give you the bite handle. You're gonna hold your balisong like this and then do a twist and then do vertical thumb rollover again. That's gonna give you the safe handle. And then after that, turn your balisong like this. After this, turn your balisong like this and prepare to put your index finger here on the safe handle. And you're gonna start again from the beginning. Sorry. Alright, that's pretty much for tutorial today. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.